Season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey,
a drizzle, a pop, a drizzle, a pop, a drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
Happy Pride Month. Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. So today we are about to make some crispy raviolis. Yes, they are going to be so delicious. Ooh-wee. Thank you guys for coming, and thanks for watching my last video. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Stay tuned for the ingredients. Alright guys, so we have our grated cheese that we did in the food processor, our Parmesan cheese, and then we're going to add our breadcrumbs to the mixture. Okay, we only have a few raviolis, so we don't need that much, right? And as you can see, it's an Italian style blend, so I'm just going to add some of the Simply Spicy Spice into the mixture for a little kick, and it has enough salt. And then what I'm going to do is melt some butter and mix it in some extra virgin olive oil, and we will go ahead and dip our raviolis in it and then coat it with this breading. Okay, so, and I'm also going to add some garlic powder to this. So, all right, I'll be right back. Hey guys, so we have our breadcrumb mixture there, our butter in olive oil, and our raviolis. Okay, so we're about to get started breading them up, and I lined a cookie sheet with some parchment paper, and we are going to bread our raviolis and lay them down and put them in the oven. Okay guys, so I have my cookie sheet there, as you can see here. You know the trick to it is to wet the bottom of the cookie sheet so that your parchment paper can stick, and just press down on it. Okay, so I'm gonna place that to the side, and all we're going to do is dip our raviolis in here. Okay, and then dip into our breadcrumbs so we can have some crispy, delicious, and yumminess here. Okay, shake it on. And you may want to coat it with a little bit more butter so that the breadcrumbs can stick. And I put this bowl here so that, you know, I'm not messing up my trays as much. And then I'll just come in with another spoon, and then I'm going to continue breading, and then I will be right back. You see how your hands, it'll come off. So try just to touch the sides of them and not on there. All right. Here we go. All right, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And we're gonna cook this for 10 to 14 minutes. until they are golden brown and crispy. All right, I'll be back with the finished dish. So there you have it, guys. Crispy ravioli. Yeah, with the spinach and mozzarella in the inside, and then you have the Parmesan cheese on the outside with that good breading. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and comment down below and let me know what you think about this delicious recipe. And if you decide to try it, let me know. And as I always say, I love you. Stay blessed. And peace out. Later. Shout out to these amazing content creators for supporting my channel. So please go ahead and check them out. Thank you for the love. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you.